Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be unboxing the new Nvidia RTX 2080 Ti card. It's a Founders Edition. It's pretty phenomenal because in comparison to the other 2080 Ti's, this one actually has a slightly higher bin chip. Now that's because for this generation, Nvidia decided to keep the higher bin chips just for themselves, and they marked it as the Founders Edition. So yeah, without further ado, hope you guys enjoy my unboxing video. Thank you. Alright, just before I cut the tape on each side, I'm going to quickly show you the front. And there's one side, and the other side. There's the top. And yeah, I guess the most information for this specific packaging is kept on the bottom here. So let's show this up to the screen here. Alright, let's slowly take the cover off. Wow, there it is. Pretty neat presentation right there. So that's the front there. The back. You can see the logo there. Before I examine the card any further, I'm just gonna put it here for now. Anyway, there's a little bit of information in here. Yeah, so in this box we have what appears to be the instruction manual, and also this looks like a. Oh, I see. It's a display port to DVI adapter. I guess for anyone who's old school enough to use a DVI monitor, it'd be pretty silly to use one with this high-end graphics card for 2019. Wow, this book. I'm just gonna count the number of pages it has. It's probably about 100 pages. Probably like 12 different languages. I'll never read this, but I guess that's part of their standard. They must include a booklet like that. Then the second book included in here, right behind it, is called the support guide. I see. It just gives instructions on how to get warranty support, how to register it, etc. Well, regardless, I do appreciate the courtesy of Nvidia to include the fine details like that. So yeah, now back to the card. I'm just gonna stand up. You guys can get a better glimpse. I'm just going to take this protective coating off. It has that new car smell. Pretty pleasant. Wow, this is a nice solid aluminum feeling. So yeah, of course, here's the front of the card. Just gonna turn off the light here so there's no glare. Fans seem pretty decent. Nice and smooth. I can tell there's probably some high quality bearings in there. So yeah, here's I guess one side. Then I guess the most important side is the video outputs. Just turn the light on again so you can see. So here's a USB-C connector, one display port, one HDMI, another display port. So there's three display ports total, one HDMI, then of course USB-C I mentioned. And yeah, two fans. And for the power input, it has two 8-pin power connectors. And yeah, the last of course it also gets power from the PCI connector right there. I'm surprised it didn't include a cover for it. I know like virtually every other brand of video card I've unboxed, it has a cover for it. But I guess that's Nvidia trust. They build it really strong, and it doesn't need one. Yeah, of course the gimmick name for this is of course a vapor chamber, when really it's just two fans blowing on a heat sink. Just guessing, this is probably this probably feels about maybe 3 to 4 pounds. It's very high quality, not like the cheap plastic ones. I wonder if I can get something I can tap just on video here. I'll just use my phone. Yeah, you can, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but that's nice high quality right there. It does have a plastic covering coating on here. I'm just gonna keep it on for now. I want to preserve this card to look nice. Yeah, this is probably my most favorite looking card I've ever unboxed. Good thing that was just garbage I set on. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate it if you made this far in the video. I'm gonna have a lot of fun putting this card to the ultimate test in 4K max settings and all the AAA titles out there. So yeah, hopefully I was able to convince some of you to get into this high-end hardware. But until next time, see you guys later. Goodbye.